In the early morning light, a majestic eagle named Victor soared gracefully over the tranquil river. With keen eyes, he spotted a shimmering school of fish gliding just beneath the water's surface. Victor adjusted his flight path, descending swiftly towards the river, determined to make a successful catch. With incredible precision, he extended his sharp talons, aiming for the largest fish in the group. In a split second, his talons closed around the fish, and he gracefully lifted it from the water. Victor's powerful wings carried him back to his nest, where his hungry eaglets awaited their morning meal.